What is up guys, Tana this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to link your Xbox to Steam to stream the Forza Horizon 5 game. So first off, head over to your desktop and then in the search bar, type in Xbox if you have the Xbox application, or you can go to the web Xbox application, and there you just need to log in with your credentials. And after that, when you are logged in, on the left side you will see your profile. Click on this profile and then click on settings. After coming into the settings, scroll down a bit and then you will see the linked account section, wherein at the first you see the Steam link account. Click on this link on the right side of the Steam, and then a new window will pop up which will open your Steam community. So just simply click on sign in and then allow the Xbox to connect with your Steam. And then as you can see, my Steam account has been shown here, and this says that my Steam account has been connected to my Xbox. So now you can just play Forza Horizon 5 or any game that you'd like, and this is how you can link your Steam account to Xbox and stream Forza Horizon 5. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.